Guys, I'm kind of embarrassed to show you this because my laundry, my safe space is bad. We just moved and things have been crazy as they always are when you move, but like I just keep moving the mess to the next place till I organize it. But this one, she's a doozy. I'm going to show you where we're at, State of the Union, and then we are going to get this so organized. I can't wait to do it. I feel like some of my life is really disorganized right now, and it's because this room is really just so crazy, because this is kind of like, I call it my room because it's the only room in this house that I don't share with somebody else. So I am going to make this a sanctuary, a laundry sanctuary, guys. It's going to be amazing. Let me show you where we're currently at. Guys, before we even get in there, check this out. This is the hallway leading to my laundry. And then in here, look, it doesn't look so bad. I mean, it doesn't look great, but it doesn't look so bad. But then we have this. It's a whole thing. It is just everything shoved in there, and it's happening. I did not know this trick until I started recording myself organizing, but taking your cupboard doors off, if you can, is a game changer. It lets you see everything in one go, and it makes it so much easier to organize. So if you have sliding doors, definitely take them off. I know I say this all the time, but whatever cleaning or organizing job I am doing, the first thing I consider is what needs to live in prime real estate. What are those things you want your kids to be able to access? What are those things that you are going to be getting out of this cupboard all the time? So for us, bottled water is something we very rarely use, so it is fine to be up the top. But these toilet rolls are definitely needed to be down low so my kids can reach them when they need it. Full disclosure, guys, this method of organizing your food overflow will definitely not work for everyone because they are like hidden away. However, I am the only person who gets food from our overflow, and I also check here before I do our grocery shopping, and I'm going through these items and using them up and replacing them regularly. So for me, this is a great way to keep them consolidated whilst also making sure I check them before I go shopping. I bought this 12 compartment storage container from Kmart here in Australia so that I could kind of create my own little professional organizing toolbox. I don't use real tools very often, but things like batteries and hooks and those little touch-up things that I need to grab all the time are all going to be located in one easy place. It makes it really easy for me to see if I need a button battery, which I feel like every device in our house seems to need recently. I've got all of those things at my fingertips and I can see if we need more. this is my laundry room, I also needed to do lots of other things. So it is where we keep our long-term food storage, and it's also where we keep everything for our cat Minnie. I am just redoing where I keep her food and water because I've ordered her a little cat water fountain and I need that to be nice and close to the power point. I also changing out the mat for one that's a little bit easier to clean. Whenever I am redoing a space, I'm always thinking about what is going to be most functional long term. I am not a huge fan of decanting things into different containers, but there are some things where it just makes sense. And for me, things like cat food and moving our laundry soap into something that is much more user-friendly is a great way for me not to just get things looking better aesthetically, but also to make them more functional. Because I have a lot of children, I find that I like to keep a lot of those medical type items on hand, but we don't use them all that often. And this is a great example of something that you can move into a lesser used part of your house, whether it's your laundry or your basement, thinking about those things that you want to have really quick and easy on hand, and those things that are okay to go away for a little while. I'm not a huge fan of these under laundry cupboards. I think they're a little bit awkward, but I am happy that I've got a space where I can use those extra cleaning supplies so that I can swap them out once the ones that are in use have run out. Okay guys, I am just fine-tuning the last parts of my laundry, and I know most of you probably already know this, but just in case you don't, lots and lots of cleaning products or bathroom products actually now have this nifty little thing that allows you to take off the outside packaging. Now, the reason I love this so much is because if you were like me and get really bothered by visual noise, in like a couple of seconds, you can remove the outside of it and it will just be a plain white bottle that you can either label yourself in something way less obnoxious, or if you were like me and you only have one bottle there, you can just leave it there in all of its naked glory. So if you were like me and prefer things to be clean, this is the way to go. I cannot even tell you how much joy this laundry brings to me. It is so much more user-friendly now. The things that my kids need to access are down low, and those things that we're not touching every day are up high. It also makes it really easy for me to see exactly what we need to add to our food storage, get extra cleaning supplies, and actually get our laundry done, whilst also making some space for our sweet cat Minnie.